Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parpalli Street, Siddipet. So we are at acids and bases. In that acids and bases, we completed up to lecture number 9 we completed. So in the now what we completed once we remind. So in lecture number 1 we completed what is different concepts under different scientists are old in olden days. Different scientists are gave what different definitions. So those definitions were what proved by what wrong by doing experiments by other scientists. So those all definitions we discussed. Lavoisier concept, Davy concept, Levy concept, Ingold concept, Lux fluid concept, and differences between acids and bases we completed in what lecture number 1. In lecture number 2 we concentrated what theories of acids and bases. Theories of acids and bases. In this theories of acids and bases we discussed about what Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory, and what Levy's theory. So these three theories we have. In these three theories, so we discussed about what Arrhenius concept. In this Arrhenius concept, what is meant by acid, what is meant by base, and what is meant by salt and neutralization reaction, and limitations also we discussed. Next one, Bronsted-Lowry theory. In Bronsted-Lowry theory, we discussed what is meant by acid, what is meant by base, what is meant by salt, and conjugate acid-base theory, and we are also discussed about what leveling effect. Next one, in Levy's theory. In Levy's theory, we discussed what is meant by acid, what is meant by base, what is meant by neutralization, and limitations we discussed. In lecture number 5, we discussed what introduction to the state syllabus of Telangana and what indicators. So indicate what is meant by indicator and what natural indicators we discussed: litmus, blue litmus, and red litmus. Synthetic indicators, color change we discussed as methyl orange, phenolphthalein, and as well as phenolphthalein, methyl orange, and bromothiamyl blue or bromomethyl blue. Next, after that, what we enter into what classification. Lecture number 6, classification of acids based on what different concepts. Next one, classification of bases. Next, lecture number 8, we discussed about what properties of acids. Lecture number 9, we discussed about what properties of bases we discussed. Now we are what at so olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. Indicator means what? In acids and bases, the substance which is used to which is used to identify the given substance as acid and base is called as indicator. So here what in this olfactory indicators we will determine what acids and bases based upon their what smell. Based upon that what smell. So smell change, based upon their what smell change, we will identify the given substance as acid or base. So the definition of this olfactory indicator is the substances whose smell changes, whose smell changes in acidic or basic medium are called as olfactory indicators. Are the substances which will give different smells, different smells in what acids and bases. That means what it will give what one smell in acid and other smell in what base. So from that we can identify what given substance as what acid and base. Such indicators are called as olfactory indicators. So the term means olfactory means what smell or sense of smell. Olfactory means what sense of smell, sense of what sense of smell. So here what in our syllabus we have what under this olfactory indicators concept we have what chopped onions, and second one is vanilla essence or vanilla extract, and what third one is clove oil. So we have what chopped onions has characteristic smell, vanilla essence has their characteristic smell, clove oil has characteristic smell. That means what it has what one specific smell. They have what one specific, everyone have what one specific smell. In this chopped onions, what we will do is first we will take what onion and what it is what cutted into what small pieces. Chopped means small pieces, and these small pieces are what so tagged. Small pieces are tagged in a cotton bag and what placed somewhat cotton strips, cotton what strips in that one, so such that what these cotton strips also get what the characteristic smell of what chopped onions, characteristic smell of what chopped onions we will get. So whenever the characteristics smell of chopped onions we will get, now this chopped onions characteristic smelled these cotton strips, upon this cotton strip if you are placed one drop of acid, one drop of acid, this smell is what not changed, smell is what not changed, smell is what not changed. If you are what added, if you upon this what cotton strip, upon this cotton strip if you are added what one drop of base, one drop of base, the smell what destroyed, the smell is what destroyed, smell is what destroyed. So such that what you take what another any substance, another any substance, if you drop one drop of what acid upon this one, if the smell is not changed, the if what unknown substance is, unknown substance or unknown liquid is what taken and that one is what added to the this strip, if the smell is not changed then that is said to be what acid. If the smell is changed that is said to be what base. Smell changed, if smell changed that is said to be what base. In such a way what we can identify what unknown what acids and bases, unknown what acids and bases we can identify. Next one, vanilla essence, vanilla essence. So this vanilla essence has what characteristic smell, vanilla essence has what characteristic smell. Now you take what in one watch glass acid and one watch glass base, known acids and bases, you add one drop of what vanilla essence to this one, so and observe the smell, smell is what not changed, smell is what not changed. Whereas what you add what for this what base you add what one drop of vanilla essence, so smell is what changed, smell is what changed. Now based on this concept you take one unknown solution. Now to that unknown solution is added to the unknown solution is added to the what one drop of what vanilla essence, or you take what acid here, the unknown solution here and add what vanilla essence to this one. If the smell is not changed we can say that is acid. If the smell is changed we can say what that is base. That means what next one you take what clove oil concept. Under this clove oil concept also, under this what clove oil concept also you take what so acid in one watch glass and base in one watch glass. Now you add what clove oil to this acid, the smell is what not changed, smell is what not changed. Now you add to the what base, that means what the clove oil is added to the base. So from this we can say what this is base is to base the this clove oil is added, smell is what changed, smell is what changed. From this what you can know, so that means what acids are not changes the smell, bases are what changing the smell, bases are destroying the smell of the clove oil. So from that you can take what one unknown, you can take one unknown what substance. Here what you take what one unknown substance or unknown liquid, to this unknown liquid if you are added what clove oil, if the smell is what destroyed that is said to be base, if the smell is not destroyed that is said to be what acid. So based on this concept we can what say, or we can determine the what acids and bases concept based on that smell change. Now can you say this chopped onions, vanilla extract and clove oil, they contains which substance? That means what in that liquids they have what acidic liquids or basic substances are present in that one. So they are what not destroying the what smell, not destroying the smell, not destroying the smell of what acids. So that's why they contains acids. Acids could not react, so that's why they contains what acids. So they have acids, so that's why when you are added bases the smell is what changes, the reaction will takes place, so base is changed. So this is the what about the concept related to what our so this olfactory indicators concept. So this under this olfactory indicators the substance which will changes, the substances the substance which is changed, the substance which is changed, the changed what the acid smell changed in acidic and basic medium, they are called as what olfactory indicators. The term olfactory means relating to the sense of smell. Onions and vanilla extract acts as the what olfactory indicators. Onions has characteristic smell, and what this concept is, total concept is related to what how we will get. Next one, vanilla extract. Now what I will give you what some paused video. From that what you can take screenshot, and from those screenshots you can what make notes and read carefully. Okay, boy children.